Hello children, a warm cheerful morning to all of you. Hope you all are well woken up, took your milk, ready for a class. Yes? Okay. So what was the topic which we have covered in the last lecture? It was interjections, right? So what are interjections? Interjections are words which express strong feelings, right? Sudden feelings, achanak. So we had done 12 words or interjections, and I hope the words are very clear to you, how to use those words. Let's revise the words once again. Yes, let's revise, do the revision of the work once again. This expresses pleasure, surprise. It feels good, right? Then alas expresses grief and sorrow. Alas, we have lost. Dukh, right? Hey, the word is used to call attention, किसी का ध्यान बुलाना. And alas, we have lost. Alas, he has died. Right? जब बहुत सीरियस होता है व्यक्ति और मरने वाला होता है और मालूम है हमें कि ये मरने वाला है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं खत्म हो जाने के बाद? Alas, he has died. Hi is used to greet. हम किसी का वेलकम करते हैं, किसी से मिलते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? Hi, hello. Right? So these words are used to greet. Oh expresses surprise. अचानक. Oh, you know each other. तुम जानते हो एक दूसरे को. Then oh expresses pain also. Pain भी बताता है. Oh, I have a toothache. मेरा दांत दुख रहा है, मेरा सर दुख रहा है, right? Oh, wonder भी बताता है, आश्चर्य. अच्छा, तुम लिख रहे हो. Oh, you are writing. So, this oh word expresses surprise, wonder and pain, right? Now, move on to the next word, that is ouch. Ouch expresses pain. हमेशा दर्द की फीलिंग जब आती है तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? आउच. मान लो कि आपको चोट लग गई है और आपको डॉक्टर ड्रेसिंग कर रहा है या मम्मा ड्रेसिंग कर रही है या पापा ड्रेसिंग कर रहे हैं और दर्द हो रहा है, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? आउच, दुख रहा है, धीरे 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 करो. तो हम वर्ड क्या निकलता है हमारे मुंह से? आउच. बच्चा सो रहा है, आवाज नहीं करना. जरूरी नहीं है बच्चा सो रहा है तो हम यूज करते हैं. पापा भी सो रहे हैं कमरे में तो मम्मा बोल देती है ना, शोर नहीं करना, पापा सो रहे हैं, राइट? सो इज यूज्ड फॉर साइलेंस. किसी से साइलेंट रहने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. जब हम लाइब्रेरी में जाते हैं तो हमारे लाइब्रेरी वाले सर खोड़े सर कर देते हैं ना, आवाज नहीं. लाइब्रेरी में हमेशा साइलेंटली हम पढ़ते हैं, राइट? वाव. वाव क्या बताता है? इट एक्सप्रेसेस सडन सरप्राइज. वाव, प्लेजर, खुशी. किसी चीज को देखने के बाद आप खुद खुश हो जाते हो और क्या बोलते हो? वाव, बहुत सुंदर सी आपने बिल्डिंग देखी तो क्या बोलेंगे? वाव, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग. आपने सुंदर सा पक्षी देखा, वाव, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड, राइट? ब्रेवो. ब्रेवो काय के लिए यूज करते हैं? जब हम किसी को अप्रूव करते हैं, हाँ तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया, शाबाशी देते हैं. एक्सीलेंस बोलते हैं, एक्सीलेंट बोलते हैं. जब एक छक्का मारा, शानदार छक्का हो गया तो क्या बोलेंगे? ब्रेवो, दैट वाज अ गुड शॉट, राइट? किक मारी, बहुत अच्छी किक लग गई आपकी तो क्या बोलेंगे? ब्रेवो, इट वाज अ फाइन किक, राइट? ब्रेवो, वेल प्लेड, बहुत अच्छा खेला आपने, राइट? Oops, when you make a horrible mistake, बहुत गलती हो जाती है, बड़ी गलती हो जाती है, तब हम oops का यूज करते हैं. Hello expresses greeting and hurrah is happiness. Hurrah, we have won the match, right? So these were some words which we had done yesterday, and today we are going to do the exercise on page number 40 of your fancy book, that is chapter number 9, interjections. Okay, so what is the chapter? Chapter number 9, that is interjection. And the first question over here is, what is my first question? Pick out the interjections. What you have to do is pick out the interjections. Okay. Now I move on to my first sentence. What is my first sentence? Hurrah! Hurrah! Our team has won. Our team has won. Now what is my question? What I have to do over here is pick out the interjection. मतलब यहाँ पे जो strong feelings बताने वाला word है उसको बाहर निकालकर हमें इस dash में लिखना है. We have to fill it over here. Now which word is expressing strong feeling? Hurrah! Correct. You are very right. So you are going to write hurrah over here. Right? So this is my first sentence. Let's move on to the second sentence. Shh, hush. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Now, which is the word which has strong feeling? Hush. So I am going to write hush. Okay. This is how we have to do these sentences. Okay. It's very easy. Bravo. Well played. Bravo. Well played. Now tell me, come on, tell me the answer. Yes. Bravo. Very good. A good answer from you children. Hello. Is there anybody here? Hello. क्या कोई है यहाँ पर? Is there anybody here? So my answer is hello. Next, number 5. Are you all enjoying doing the exercise? Yes. Oh, what a beautiful rose. Oh, what a beautiful rose. So my answer is oh. And the last one, alas, she is sick. Oh, last, आखिरी में वो बीमार हो ही गई. So my last sentence is, alas, she is sick. So what is my answer? Alas. Right? So I hope this is very clear to you, and yes, you are able to do it very easily, and this is very scoring. You get very good marks over here once you understand this topic very well. So let's read out the sentences which are written on the board. Hurrah! Our team has won. So my interjection word is hurrah. Hurrah is expressing feeling of pleasure, खुशी. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Hush, बच्चा सो रहा है. Hush कभी यूज होता है, shh कभी यूज होता है. So the baby is sleeping. Bravo, well played. So this is expressing excellence. बहुत अच्छा खेला. Hello. Is there anybody there or here? क्या कोई है वहाँ पर या यहाँ पर? So hello expresses greetings. Oh, what a beautiful rose! Wonder, आश्चर्य. Alas, she is sick. दुख. बीमार हो जाता तो दुख लगता है ना, बुरा लगता है. एक्चुअली दुख नहीं बोलेंगे हम, क्या बोलेंगे, बुरा लगता है. सो alas, she is sick. So complete your work, children. I'm waiting for you to complete your work. Please write down in neat and clear writing. Don't try to complete it in your fancy book because I will not be able to check your fancy book. I'm only checking the classwork copies. I want this work completed in your classwork copies. And when you will complete the work in your classwork copies, you will revise it very well and you will be able to write down neatly and clearly. Okay? So yes, you complete your work, then we'll move on to the next question. By the time all those who have completed can try to solve the next question. There you have to put in what you have to put in? You have to select the interjection from the box and put it in the correct statement. Okay? By the time you can try completing it. All those who have completed it can start the next exercise. You can write down the question, fill in with interjection, suitable interjection. Okay? Yes? So the sentences which are written on the board are here. What you had to do, you had to pick out the interjection. Hurrah! Our team has won. So my interjection word is hurrah. Hush! The baby is sleeping. Bravo! Well played. Hello? Is there anybody here? Oh, what a beautiful rose. Alas, she is sick. Right? So hope you have completed this question. Well, let's move on to the next question. Can we move? Children, I need a yes from you. Yes? Okay. Let's move. So my question 1 becomes question 2. Yes, so this becomes question 2. Fill in with suitable interjection. Okay, right? So, what are the words which are given in the box? I think the words which are given in the box, let's check them. Yes, they are bravo, alas, oh, hurrah, right? Move on to the first sentence. What is the first sentence? How kind you are. The first sentence is dash, how kind you are. क्या बता रहा है? What feeling are you getting from here? You are getting a feeling of surprise, pleasure. अच्छा लग रहा है. तुम कितनी अच्छी हो. How kind you are. तुम कितनी अच्छी हो. So you are getting a feeling of pleasure. खुशी मिल रही है, right? So you are getting a feeling of pleasure. So what is the word we are going to put over here? खुशी. Right. But now my sentence is not punctuated properly. I have to punctuate it. So my answer becomes exclamation mark. This is the punctuation which we have to do over here. And this letter becomes capital. How kind you are. And here it becomes a question mark. Right? So this is how you have to punctuate the sentence. Next. Dash. It is very sad. It is very sad. getting over here? You're getting a feeling of sorrow, pain, दर्द की feeling आ रही है. You can write here pain or sorrow, right? Now, which are the words you use for it? You use oh. Oh, it's really sad, right? So, oh, it's very sad. This is how it gets punctuated. Number 3. I have got good marks. जब आपको गुड मार्क्स आते हैं, अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, तो क्या होता है? खुशी होती है. करेक्ट? प्लेजर, हैप्पीनेस, हैप्पीनेस. ठीक है? तो मेरा वर्ड आएगा हुर्रा. Hurrah! I have got good marks. Over here the I was capital, so I have written the word directly over here. Okay? So this is how you have to do. The next one, try. You can try by the time children are writing. Yes, the sentences which are written on the board are how kind you are. Now when you read the sentence, what type of feeling are you getting? You are getting the feeling of pleasure, right? Pleasure यानी खुशी. And that is why we have used the word ah, how kind you are. Okay, the next word is sad. It is very sad. दुख, दर्द हो रहा है, pain हो रहा है. So I have used oh, it's very sad. I have got good marks. मैंने बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई करी थी और मेरे मार्क्स भी बहुत अच्छे आए. Hurrah! I have got good marks. The next one is dash. That was a fine kick. क्या बात है? That was a fine kick. जब बहुत अच्छा शॉट मारा, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking of excellence. And the word which we use for excellence is, come on, look into your copy. We have already written down. The next word is, the poor boy is dead. The poor boy is dead. Grief, sorrow. So, check into your copies which are the words which we are going to use over here. And we'll be moving further, right? I hope your work is complete. Let's move on to the next sentence. That is sentence number 4. What is the sentence telling us? That was a fine kick. That was a fine kick. So my answer is bravo. But with correct punctuation, I am going to write it down. Bravo! Exclamation mark. That was a fine kick. After the exclamation mark, the word starts with a capital letter. Okay? Remember that. Now let's move on to the next and the last one. what is my last sentence telling me? The poor boy is dead. Number 5. Dash the poor boy is dead. Now, which feeling are you getting over here? You're getting the feeling of pain, sorrow. So, what is my alas? Now, will correct punctuation. Alas, exclamation mark. The poor boy is dead. Right? And we have finished with question number 2, and the last question is left. That is, there you have to give the feelings. Okay, so by the time all those who have finished can read up, others can complete their work. Yes, children, are you all writing? You got my point. In interjection, you have to put the exclamation mark and the very next letters becomes capital. Okay. So, bravo, that was a fine cake. Alas, the poor boy is dead. Okay. And in the coming exercise, you have to, there the sentence is given, you have to judge the feeling. Which feeling are you getting from that sentence? Bravo, you have done an excellent work. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. What are you getting? What type of feeling are you getting? Think about it. Hope you have done up with this exercise. Let's move on to the third exercise, where you have to judge the feeling of the sentence. Let's move on. Yes, to exercise number 3. What does this exercise say? Exercise says that circle the interjection in the following sentences and write the feeling that they express. The blank is given over there, and in that blank you have to give the feeling. Okay. So, interjection. Circle the interjection and express the feeling. Right? The word interjection you have to circle and you have to express the feeling. The first sentence is bravo. You have done an excellent work. And here is the full stop and the sentence is given like this. So, what is my sentence? Bravo! You have done an excellent work. So, what will happen? We will circle the word bravo. And which feeling it is expressing? Feeling of excellence. Excellence. Right? Now moving on to the next sentence. The next sentence is What? Will Anita come? What? What will Anita come? क्या अनीता आएगी? What feeling are you getting? Yes. What feeling are you getting? First, what is the word? Wow. And it is surprise. Surprise. आश्चर्य. What? What? Will Anita come? So you are getting surprise. Anita आएगी क्या? Okay. Now the next. Alas. Alas. My brother has gone to another country. My brother has gone to another country. अल्लाह, my brother, मेरा भाई दूसरे देश चला गया. अब जब भाई चला गया दूसरे देश तो आपको क्या हो रहा है? तकलीफ हो रही है, सॉरो हो रहा है. तो हमारी फीलिंग काय की आ रही है? हमको सॉरो, दुख हो रहा है ना. That is why. Okay. Now children, you can complete this much. I am waiting for you to complete your work. Yes, here in this question, what you have to do is you have to circle the interjection and express the feeling. Which feeling does the word expresses? Now the first word is bravo. You have done an excellent work. Now which feeling are you getting? तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. आप किसी की तारीफ कर रहे हो. जब हम किसी की तारीफ करते हैं तो हमारी को कौन सी फीलिंग आती है? फीलिंग ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. राइट. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज व्हाट? विल अनीता कम? क्या अनीता आएगी? सरप्राइज. Alas, my brother has gone to another country. Alas, मेरा भाई दूसरे देश चला गया. दुख हो रहा है, तकलीफ हो रही है, मेरा भाई मेरे पास नहीं है. That is why we are using the word feeling of sorrow. Right? So children, only 2 sentences are left. The next 2 sentences, try. By the time others are completing their work, you can try. Yes? Shall I erase? Let's see sentence number 4. What is the sentence number 4 telling? Oh, you will miss the flight. Oh, you will miss the flight. आपकी फ्लाइट छूट जाएगी. Right? So what feeling are you getting? Oh, you will miss your flight. Feeling of sorrow, surprise. The last one is hurrah, I have won the match. Hurrah, I have won the match. So you are getting a feeling of happiness. Happiness. Right? And this is here we end up with our chapter on interjections, and hope this chapter is very clear. and how you have to do your exercises. This is also very clear. So children, please complete your copies and revise this topic very well. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact me personally or you can call me up. Okay. So bye bye children. Please complete your work and keep your copies ready for correction. Okay, bye.